Yes, YouTube, welcome back again. New video. Um, as we speak, BTC is started dumping, as I predicted before. Careful with long positions, because you get wrecked. What goes up must come down. Easy as that. So, actually, yesterday, as I thought, also they swept up liquidity to the upside a little bit. But yeah, as you guys can see now, we're actually dumping. Let's go to the chart. As you guys can see, we're watching at BTC. This is also the setup I posted today in my group. So yeah, the guys in the group are in the gains now. So that's beautiful. This is actually a 1200% trade on 200x. We as gainers, we trade maximum leverage with proper risk management. I provide the guys in the group for some tools where they can put in their stop loss and things like the percentage of the stop loss, so they can calculate the max order size, so that they only will risk 5% of their account to eventually make crazy gains, right? So as that said, let's go to the USDT chart. Let's clean this one. So what happened, right? What happened? As I spoke in my previous videos, when we go to the weekly time frame, you can see that we're still above previous all-time high, right? So let me mark this thing here. So let's grab the RSI with it. So you can see that we're still bearish, right? Because we have this divergence here, as I showed you before. The RSI goes down and the price swings up, right? So this is a strong indication that we will see more downsides for BTC, and as we speak, BTC start dropping, so we will come that when we go to the lower time frames. So that's actually the weekly, still bearish. When, for example, if we go to the daily, you can see that we're starting to create a swing low already, right? Blue candle in my case. Usually it's red, but I use blue and white to take out emotions, right? Because it's proven, and that's why also that they use red and green, right? Because it creates emotions. For example, if you are long and you see red candles, you start to getting anxious, right? You will create fear for candles and things. So I just use neutral colors to get rid of emotions, right? So that's one trick I give you for free. So as I said, we're watching at the daily, still a small bearish signs here, right? You see we close this daily candle here. Let's say 10 hours ago. 10 hours ago we closed this daily candle here. So yeah, we can we know now, we have confirmation that we're bearish, right? But till where, we don't know, right? Because if we go to the 4-hour, for example, I first want to see this previous all-time high on the weekly seeing broken, right? There's a possibility that this will become support, right? So I first want to see this weekly previous all-time high support, in this case, got broken before we can see more downside for BTC, right? We still have this giant fair value gap here. You can see it on all time frames. For example, we draw this, but if you take out the VRVP, then you can see also that we're missing some orders here, right? So yeah, we can expect crazy drops in these gaps, right? We also know that once we have this fair value gap, price wants to fill this gap up, right? So for example, now I want to see this weekly support got broken and become resistance to eventually see more downside, right? So my first so for example, if we go back to my setup here, I'm taking profit here, right? On 71.4k. Let's say almost 71.5k. And why is that? Because there's a fair value gap, right? It's a price magnet. Let me get rid of this VRVP. But it's also the 786, right? So if we go back to this one, I don't know. Usually I take profit at the 618. Yeah, I take profit at the 618 just to be sure I'm not in profit, because it's possible that price bounce up again. So I just take profit. One thing I've learned is just to don't be greedy, take profits. This is a 1200% trade, so that means 12x your order size, right? So for example, if you put in $10, you make $120 on this trade. So we just take profits, and there's these markets and days are full of opportunities. So we are patient, and that's how we make gains, right? We don't chase candles. Again, patience is the key. So actually, we created a swing low now for BTC. That's confirmation that my TA again is spot on. I first want to see this weekly support level got broken again. So yeah. If not, I take profit here and we wait, right? So our next target should be the 786 here also, because we know the 786 is a respected Fibonacci level, so we can expect a bounce here to the upside. But oversold RSI on the 4 hour. Let's see the 8 hour. Yeah, crazy bearish divergence. You see now we get confirmation. I saw this 2 days ago already coming, but now the trading view says it. It shows also a strong divergence, right? So confirmation to see downside for BTC. That's positive, because it gives a lot of people and a lot of new traders, other traders, investors to buy BTC on a nice price, right? To eventually make some profits in the coming bull run, right? So again, today I'm very grateful that we're bearish again, that we're creating a swing low. I want to see this weekly support get broken to eventually come to this 786 here and fill up this fair value gap here. And from there on, this can take maybe 1 or 2 days. It should be nice if we drop crazy this coming weekend. So yeah, that's a little bit it for today. Confirmation that we bearish BTC again, and there's one thing. Also, I launched a free signal channel in my Discord group, cryptogainers.nl. Go check it out. Free signals. Register, sign up. You will get an invite link with an welcome mail, and you're more than welcome. You will get the 3 free signals on a weekly basis. That means that I will post my setups 3 times a week for free for you guys, so you can check out if you if you can actually make gains or not, right? So just try. It's a tryout period, and if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade to the VIP channels. But just go check it out, and you're more than welcome. And let's make some gains. One thing I've learned is that you will get what you give, right? So that's why I'm here for you guys, to be honest, tell you the truth, that it's possible to make gains and that it's possible to follow signals. If you just put everything in, I explain you, like for example, a stop loss, an entry, take profit points, and you just let this thing play out, then you can make the same profits as me, right? So again, only put in what you can afford to lose, because that lowers your emotional attachment to the trade. So the lower your position, the less you are attached to your trade. So that's very important to know also. But these things I learn you all in the channel, in my group. So once again, sign up for the free signal group on my website, cryptogainers.nl. Remember, stay safe, make profits, and God bless. See you in my next video.
One more time.